Hello guys, I trust you all are doing fine. My name is Kofi Frederick, one known as Supreme. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. On this particular channel, we educate people on digital skills, tech tips, and how to make money online with your smartphone. If this meets any of your specification, kindly go ahead and hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our content. Without further ado, let's get straight into today's agenda. So in today's particular tutorial, I'm going to teach you step by step how you can edit green screens on your smartphone. Okay, yeah, so you can actually shoot on a green screen, how to remove the green screen to get your video to another background and all that. I am going to simplify it in this particular tutorial for you, and whatever thing that I am going to do here is applicable to all green screens. Okay, so first of all, you are going to download your green screen, or you are going to shoot your green screen. Okay, so you get a green background, you shoot your content on it. After that, you can now upload it to where I'm going to teach you. Or let's say if you want to download a green screen, or what you want is on a green screen, you can also download it online and come and remove the green screen and do whatever thing you want to do with the actual content. Okay, so please follow me closely whilst I take you through. So I came to download this particular subscribe YouTube stuff. Okay, yeah, I came to download it over here, and then I am going to remove this particular green screen so that I get only this particular YouTube logo, the subscribe, and then the bell notification. Okay, so I can use KineMaster, Inshot, or CapCut to do this particular task, but then I prefer to use the Inshot app. Okay, so you get this particular application on either App Store or Play Store. So you tap on it, Inshot, you tap on it, then you tap on videos, then you go to new. Now first of all, we are going to add the video. Okay, the video we want to add this YouTube subscribe animation on it. So let's take, for example, I want to use this particular video here. Which one should I choose? Which this one? So I go with this. All right, so this is the video. Now once you import this particular video to your workspace, what you are going to do here is to tap on this PIP. Okay, you tap on this PIP, then you can now import your green screen. So this is now your green screen, so you can see it. Let's play and see.
Hello guys, I trust you all are doing
so good. Now once you are done with it, you make sure that you tap on this particular green screen for it to select, as you can see over here. Once it is selected, you can now come to the chroma key. Okay, you can come to the chroma here, see chroma over here. Okay, then you tap on the chroma. Okay, so once you tap on it, you can see that there is a color picker over here. So you now move this particular color picker to the green portion, so you move it to the green side over here. Then you can now come here and then strengthening it, or work on this stuff. So we can strengthening it so that the green will be off. Okay, or if we leave it this way, you can see that the green has come back. But then the more we increase the strength, the more we do away with the green screen or the green background we want to remove. So we now go ahead and then tap on this, and now we have our subscribe button over here.
My name is Kofi Frederick.
Right. If you enjoyed this particular tutorial, please hit on the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our subsequent tutorial. So this is how you work on, or you edit green screen on your smartphone. Thank you.